Experience driving perfection in the 2015 Ram 3500. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, automatic temperature control, turn signal indicator mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and seat memory. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.